Okay. Hi guys, today I wanna tell you about my second website, second website design, uh, and I will explain how I made this design using only HTML and CSS. Okay, let's. Firstly, I wanna tell you. I made this design website with display flex and position also. Okay, let's start with body. For the body, I add the margin and the padding 0. Why I add this margin and the padding? Because if you see in the default sites. In the Chrome, we have the default size in each site that you meet, and if you add this margin 0 and the padding 0, you cannot see this white space. That's why I use this margin 0 and padding 0. I also use font family pop-ins from the font Google with a link tag. After that, I create one big one big div named container. In this container, I put it height and width also, and in this container I created 5 or how much I made 6 pages. In each page I write the height and write write width. After that I have image logo. I put it just width. After that I have the header style. It is this this page. I use text align center and the font family and the height. After that I have the style for body text and the buttons. I created one big div named buttons. In these buttons I add the display flex and the justify content center. Why use display flex? Because if you don't use this display flex, your buttons, it will be in the column. Yeah. And if you add the display flex, it will be in a one row. That's why I use the display flex, and I also add the gap for white space in the between. After that I have the page one style for page one. In there I use it also text align center and the margin top for the center, and I also height for size. And you have row one. It is this elements. In this element I put it there display flex also and the flex direction rule, and for between I used gap. After that I have the page 2. It's similar like page 3 and page 1. I use just text align center and the margin top. Page 3 I also used text align center and the margin top. We have also H2 for H2 style and the H3. Just I put it there font size. For H2 I also put it there 14.2 pixel. After that we have the gallery. For gallery tag I use display flex. If you want which is elements, it is this element, as you can see. And I use display flex and the flex direction rule. I also used gap for between. If you want to see this gap, it is this white space in the between of elements. After that, I have justify content. Justify content for center. After that, I have the page 4. Page 4, it's also similar like page 3. And for text style and the footer. For the bottom, we have the footer. For the footer, I create one big tag named footer texts, and for this footer text I use display flex and the flex direction rule. And for the white space I used gap and the font family, and we have page 6 and the page 5. For page 6 I used width. I used 100% and the height 120 pixel, and the background color white. It is not white, but it is like small difference. Margin top I also used, and the display flex, as you can see, flex direction I used a rule. Why I used a rule? Because if you see all of these elements, it is in one rule. That's why I used flex direction rule. And for the white space between, I used just space around justify content. And if you want to see, we have the HTML. In the HTML I created like this, very easy to see and the easiest to understanding. As you can see, is that's page 2, and after that you have page 3 and the page 4, page 5, page 6. Yes. Now that's all, I think. If you want to know more, you can just text me, and see you soon. Bye.